Hello babies, welcome back to another video with your girl Malabati. So what are we doing today? What are we doing? The nails. We are doing the nails, babies. We are doing the nails. And I might do my hair too. But I wanted to wash it first because it's been a minute since that time. So I want to wash it first and we'll see what we do. But I want to do my nails. And I'm gonna try to do my feet pedi French on my toes, but I don't know. It will be the first time. Like, okay, it will be the second time where I am prepared to fully try it. Because the first time, I didn't like it. I don't know. I just decided to do something else. So, I'm not gonna do gold nail polish on my toes. That needs courage. And now I've been wanting to try French for a very long time. So I'm gonna try it on my toes and my nails. They are really excited. Like, I'm so excited. But for now, oh, and we are at 1.5. Hello loves, you are welcome, you are loved, and you are appreciated. Thank you for subscribing, thank you for liking, and just thank you for choosing to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. So yeah, but for now, let's go make these shots. So babies, these are my nails. They're so beautiful. They're just so beautiful. I love them. And it's late at night, so we are gonna do this real quick. I'm not going to do a detailed video. So first things first, I'm not going to push my cuticles. I don't know. I don't feel like pushing my cuticles. I'm going to use sanitizer to sanitize my hand, and I'm going to start with my right hand. I'm going to install my right hand first. They're so beautiful. This looks like a necklace. I love that it looks like a necklace. So let's do this. And my favorite nail is this one. Oh, beautiful. I did French on my nails. A lot is going on, and I'm gonna use, I don't know what's in here, but I'm going to use it to remove the oil. And I'm going to use this buffer. And I'm just holding this buffer still, and then I'm gonna remove my right hand because it is my dominant hand. Even though I do use this hand, I just taught myself how to use my left hand because I was hit by a car on my left hand, so I had to learn how to use it again. So I did a lot of stuff. I used my left hand to draw on while I was doing AGD in school, and that kind of helped me. With doing using my left hand. The only thing I cannot do it is to write, but I can draw. So funny. And I'm gonna use this brush to remove the dust. I don't have a lot of things. I don't have primer and a lot, but yeah, we're gonna work with what we have at the moment. Babes, this brush is so cute. Look at it. It's so cute. I did mine like this hand. I did this hand, ne? I could not record the whole process, the full process, because my phone is overheating. So, but yeah, look at this. Oh my god, they are so long. These nails are long. It's been a minute since I made this. Like my nails this long. Yo, mama. My mom made them, so go to Beauty Edit and the link of the channel down in the description. Oh, I'm gonna use this oil. It is a cuticle oil. And oh, giveaway. Oh my god. Oh my god. Giveaway. Oh, giveaway for 1K. Why did I forget this? And I've been prepared. I've been preparing myself to put the giveaway together, but I keep forgetting. I don't know why. So I'm going to try. Like today I'm gonna assemble that giveaway and then I will post it on my community tab. Just make sure you're subscribed, you watched my whole video, tell me which part of the video you like, and then please share my channel, share my videos, like, turn on post notifications. The more you comment, the bigger chance you will get for the giveaway, because I can see all of my top commenters. So if you're one of them, you get a chance to win. And I'm just gonna pick. I'm not gonna go with, oh, this one is. I'm gonna pick the ones with the highest comment is gonna win the giveaway. So comment down below on my videos. Like every video, I count every video. I'm gonna say from this year. So my playlist, watch my playlist and comment on all of those videos. Tell me which part you loved of that video and timestamp that video where you loved that part. And then yeah, I will choose you, my top commenter. I will choose you. So that is how I'm gonna choose the giveaway winner, and it will consist of what? Okay, no, let me not, because I'm undecided. I don't know whether I want to give this away or I want to keep it, but I might give it away, I might give it away, so that I don't know, but we will see. We will see. But I think I'm going to give away this thing that I want to give away, so let's like comment. I think I'll give you guys the chance to comment, let's say from January up until the month end of February, and then we will do that. That is what I will give away the giveaway month end of February, so that all of the new subscribers also get a chance to comment, because I just want to give you all like an equal chance. I'm gonna count from January, like from January up until February, my top commenter, whether it is short, whether it is long form, whether it's my live, just comment loves. The more you comment, the more you will get a chance to win this giveaway. And yeah, I will make an instruction where I will put on my community tab, so keep that in mind. I'll keep informing you on every video that I make, so that you remember to comment, remember to timestamp your comment, because I want to know how long you watch my videos. Okay, I want to know. So yeah, do that. Simple. You have already subscribed, you're gonna share my videos on my channel, you like my videos, you turn on post notifications, and you comment, and you add a timestamp of which part of the video you liked or what you thought about that part. So do that. And the more you comment, I can tell, like on my studio there's a section for top commenters, so I will choose from that. That is what I'll choose from. So yeah, do that. Okay, do that. So I will see you loves on the next part of this video. Now let me go and make these shorts, and yeah.